Welcome to the Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. Today's secret recipe is hey. If I tell you, it won't be a secret anymore, but you can keep a secret, eh? Doesn't this look good? My belly is trembling. I just gotta eat it. Let's take a look at our ingredients before I get too hungry. Those are gonna cook up so nice. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Hey, it turned out just like a mama's. Now this is gonna taste really nice. Why don't you go give it a try? I know you like it. Here's the recipe once again. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by